The Honda 4X4 tractor stands as a true workhorse, blending durability, power, and modern engineering. From the front view, the aggressive grille design immediately catches the eye, with sharp lines and a robust bumper reinforcing its strength. The Honda logo sits proudly in the center, flanked by high-performance LED headlights that ensure excellent visibility in any conditions. The wide stance and heavy-duty front axle give the tractor superior stability, making it ideal for tackling tough terrains. The front tires are designed for maximum traction, while the reinforced hood protects the powerful engine underneath, promising longevity and reliability. Shifting to the back view, the functionality of the Honda 4X4 tractor becomes even more apparent. The rear end features a sturdy hitch system, capable of handling various farming implements and attachments. The hydraulic lift system allows for effortless control of heavy loads, making it a versatile tool for agricultural and industrial use. The rear tires are larger, providing additional grip and balance on uneven surfaces. Red tail lights ensure safety during nighttime operations, and the rear fenders offer extra protection against dirt and debris. A robust exhaust system is positioned strategically to keep emissions away from the operator, maintaining a clean and efficient work environment. Moving to the interior, the cabin is designed with comfort and convenience in mind. The driver's seat is ergonomically crafted, offering ample cushioning and lumbar support for long working hours. The steering wheel is adjustable, providing a customized fit for different operators. The dashboard is equipped with a modern digital display, delivering real-time information on speed, fuel levels, engine performance, and hydraulic pressure. All controls are strategically placed within easy reach, minimizing effort and maximizing efficiency. The tractor is also equipped with an advanced climate control system, ensuring a comfortable experience regardless of weather conditions. Noise and vibration reduction technology further enhance the interior ambiance, making it a quiet and smooth ride even on rough terrains. Now, looking at the side view, the Honda 4X4 tractor's strong frame and aerodynamic design become evident. The side panels are crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability against harsh environmental conditions. The step-up platform is wide and slip-resistant, providing easy access to the cabin. Large side mirrors extend outward, offering excellent visibility of the surroundings. The fuel tank is conveniently positioned for easy refueling, while protective side guards shield essential components from potential damage. The hydraulic lines and connections are neatly arranged along the body, ensuring an organized and efficient setup for various attachments. This tractor is powered by a high-performance Honda engine, known for its fuel efficiency and impressive torque output. The 4X4 drivetrain ensures optimal power distribution, allowing it to navigate muddy fields, rocky paths, and steep inclines with ease. The advanced suspension system absorbs shocks effectively, providing a smoother ride and reducing operator fatigue. Whether it's plowing fields, towing heavy loads, or handling construction work, this tractor delivers unmatched reliability and performance. In addition to its rugged build, the Honda 4X4 tractor incorporates smart technology for enhanced productivity. The GPS-guided navigation system allows for precise movement and efficient task management. Automatic gear shifting ensures seamless transitions between speeds, adapting to various workloads effortlessly. The intelligent braking system provides superior stopping power, even when carrying heavy attachments. The electronic power steering makes maneuvering effortless, even in tight spaces. For safety, Honda has equipped this tractor with rollover protection, ensuring the operator remains secure in case of accidental tipping. Seat belts and reinforced cabin structure add an extra layer of security. Emergency shutoff controls are easily accessible, allowing for quick response in critical situations. The exterior is coated with a rust-resistant finish, ensuring longevity even in harsh working conditions. The Honda 4X4 tractor is not just a machine but a reliable partner in agriculture, landscaping, and heavy-duty tasks. Its blend of power, comfort, and innovation makes it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether viewed from the front, back, interior, or side, every angle highlights its superior craftsmanship and engineering excellence. This script provides a comprehensive walkthrough of the Honda 4X4 tractor, perfect for a detailed and engaging YouTube video.